Always had a teapot that whistled as well. I do my water in the microwave, so maybe I could step it up a little bit. What we're going to talk about now, is one of my absolute favorite things. How many of us have like an oversized mug, and that's where we put our macaroni and cheese? That's where we put, our soup this time of the year. We put, hot chocolate in there, or maybe you make a mug cake in there. Look how beautiful this set is, and you get a set of two. So you get the oversized mug. These are all beautifully hand-painted ceramics, so they're easy to care for. And then you get what Tara calls her lidit. And look at the detail, that rope detail on the lidit. These are so, so beautiful. So whether you're using it on top to put your roll or your bread or your dessert, whatever the case may be, it's gonna work. I'm going to go ahead and take you through the colors on this, and I'm going to remind you, here's a $20 bill alert. 5 Easy Pays means that it's going to come home for $4. Think about how beautiful this would be to send to someone for Valentine's Day. We can do bill to, ship to, for a birthday, to have special sets for the kids and the grandkids when they come over. They have their own little bowl and then the lidit. All right, so we'll talk. Let me see if I can go through these. We will have two patterns for you. So we have the floral lace and we have the old world. We have the old world in blue. We have gray and we have the newest color taupe. Absolutely beautiful. You decide what you want. If you're more of a floral lace, then we have taupe, or we have gray, taupe, and black in floral lace. So there you can see the difference. $20. Remaining quantities. Tara, if I remember what we talked about yesterday, did you not say that you just debuted these on
Yes.
Cook Day? And this is the remaining quantities. And I should let everybody know that they're so new, they're shipping out February 6th, which is next week anyway, so no worries there. Love, love, love. To think these are $10 a piece if you want to think about it that way, and they're so functional.
It's so crazy, right? But what I love about these is I think everybody is using that bowl meets the mug meets the latte. This is like the perfect example of what Temptations is all about. It's looking and thinking about, what do I use in my kitchen? Why do I use what I use? And so it's a perfect combination of a nice, oversized, generous 22-ounce mug that can be perfect for your, but then you have that lidit like you were talking about. So this becomes now a soup and sandwich. Maybe you have the grilled cheese on the lidit and you have a beautiful tomato soup underneath. Or you've made a little pasta bake and you have a garlic knot on top. Or you've just made tea and now you need a place to put your spoon and a place to put your lemon slice or your tea bag. This is what everyone has loved about our soup mugs, is that they morph into so many other things. You want to make breakfast, you can make breakfast in it. Hot oatmeal, cold cereal. You want to make lunch, you can do soups and sandwiches. You want to have a dinner, of course, you can do a fun quinoa bowl if you want to. So whether it's hot or cold, this piece goes in the oven up to 500 degrees or the fridge and the freezer. And you can see there, we did pot pies. We did individual desserts. I love that everybody can have their own. Because again, it's meant to be used as a personal size.
Tara, these are already getting very limited. The black and the blue in particular getting limited. Easy enough. Floral lace or old world, you decide what you want. Remember, you're not, I would pay $20 for one. You're getting two sets, which is blowing my mind. And I also want to say compliments to your team. They do such a wonderful, inspiring display for us all. But down in front, I see a birthday cake, and I understand on Monday you are having a birthday. So happy birthday.
Yes. Oh, well, thank you very much. And I love, again, the neutral colors that we have there. There you're seeing the taupe, but the gray is actually one of our newest members of the family. And what I've been collecting, I have the confetti, which you see in front of me, that has sold out. But what we have here is the gray. And what I love about a gray is if you're thinking about a great gift, this is that perfect kind of farmhouse chic color, whether it's in floral lace or whether it's in old world. And it's one of those great neutrals that they can kind of fold in with anything maybe they've already been collecting. But this is that piece, no matter what color, no matter what pattern, you will use it day in and day out. Since I designed it, it's my go-to every time.
I don't blame you. I think that every one of us can use something like this. Whether you're making frozen macaroni and cheese and you want to take it out of that plastic container and put it somewhere, whether you are great and you want to make, homemade chicken pot pie. Here's hot chocolate up here. Here's breakfast. You serve me breakfast and it looks like this. It just,
Right.
These are the pieces that make memories. And I love that you update it with the gray and the taupe, because I think that's very a millennial look, if you will. So in
Yes.
the floral, in the old world rather, we have blue, last call on blue. We have gray, and then the taupe, 300 remaining, and then that will be completely sold out.
That's it,
And
yes.
floral lace, 200 black, 300 taupe, and your gray is still available. Beautiful, and I still think it'd make a really awesome Valentine's Day. What a fun way to make like Valentine's dinner or lunch for someone, for your kids, your grandkids, or your special someone. All right, Tara, we only have an hour this morning, so we got a lot to talk about. I want to update everybody on this. Yes? All right. Take a look on QVC.com, because we won't have time to present this, but we want you to take a look at it.